Welcome back to Miss Mooreland. We are back at it today, working up here in the front facade area. We are getting rid of the bricks, and no, we're not stacking these. We're going to put them outside on the pile that we have outside. We're going to do our very best of not having to take this area down, but this side right there we will. But we're going to try. We might have to take it down anyway. But that's what we're up to so that we can start rebuilding. And that's exciting. Frank's enjoying making a mess.
A couple of them.
At least we are doing this in a well-ventilated area. Took out some more of the brick. And trying to decide if we should go ahead and take it down or use Bertha to help hold it in place, strap it. Lots of contemplating.
Well, it's in decent shape. I mean, it's this whole chunk here on down, I think it hasn't moved this on down.
That's awesome.
But
the brick itself,
this all has to be replaced because we can't hold this up and do this.
right?
So when we get this brick out, is this one 6-inch wall
Gonna hold.
enough to hold itself up? Probably not.
Could we possibly put some braces up against it?
But all it would take was one bump.
That's true.
And we've already proved we bumped it once.
In the meantime, here is a lot of the stone that we took down over the last couple days. And we're putting it in here. I don't have to etch them if they're in here because the markings will stay. But there is one pile of bricks. I don't stack brick well, but these aren't clean bricks either. And these are the ones I stacked this morning. There is a lot of brick in this house. But we thought about tossing them out, but every time we did, they just break. The mortar comes off pretty easy, so they're easy to clean. That'll be a job. We do have a gentleman at church who said that when he was a kid, he got a half a penny for every brick he cleaned. We asked him if he wanted to relive his childhood, and he said no. But
I offered to pay him double.
yeah, we did offer to double his pay. But he said no. Right. We used Bertha to shore that up and to hold that up, so it's not going to go anywhere. But delicate operation, that's for sure. All right, we got part of it down, and we're hoping we only have to go till about right there, because that's just missing mortar. That's not actually a crack. So Frank is going to continue to take that brick right there down so we can take that stack down. That's a lot of brick. All right, this stack is definitely growing, and Frank has pulled out a lot more brick in this area.
Try not to drop everything down.
Yeah.
It's a big Jenga. Trying to figure out which brick is the last brick to not take out.
Yeah.
Because I'm hoping that we can not take down that facade.
Right. And Bertha is doing her job.
Holding things together.
Yep.
so they don't fall. It's always something.
Always something. What you up to, Frank?
I think I figured it out. We're gonna pour concrete out to here and up to this sill, around like this, and a ways over there. Maybe the whole thing. Put rebar in it, and then go up concrete block, and then put the facade back on, and tie in the facade as we go up. Wish I'd have thought of that more. Sounds simple enough, right? How hard can it be?
Simple, but not easy.
Huh. I'm not wearing a safety harness.
Well, if you're on the first floor.
Oh, that's right. Oh, yeah. Thanks for reminding me, baby.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we are almost ready to, well, we're gonna clean up and pour the forms. Actually make the forms. Oh, this is gonna have concrete and rebar. And the rebar is going to go all the way around the corner and into that side. And then the concrete block will start here and go up. Those brick pillars that were behind, this is the facade. I'm going to try to leave that, close up the gap. So I'm going to build my concrete block wall and make it go around those spots where it's tied in, like here. There's another one right there, and then I'll get them tied in, go up with the concrete block, and then we will have a wall that will actually stand. As soon as I took these off of that pillar came right here. As soon as I took these off, those pillars were falling down. I don't know what was holding it up. But it was a lot of consternation and trying to figure out what to do. But I think we're doing the right thing. It's a lot more work than just putting the facade back up. Somebody, I know that somebody in one of the videos, I think it was the drone video, they made a comment, said, that little crack that goes all the way up, do you think it's structural? I thought it was structural, and it was. All right, next is the forms. Got that all cleaned out. Make me some concrete forms. Then we'll see about pouring some concrete. Something's going back together.
Yep.
What you looking at?
Just looking at it. So it's going to go up against the brick?
Yep. That is the general idea, baby.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, there's that form ready to go.
It isn't ready.
Close.
It ain't close.
I want it to be close. And Frank's finishing putting that one over there in place with the braces and support. No, it's not ready, but it's wishful thinking. We're getting closer though. Getting closer. Forms are all done. We wetted the stone. We're mixing the concrete and we're starting to put it in there. We're going to put about a 2-inch base in there and then add some rebar. So that's what we're up to.
All right, we're trying to pour the concrete as fast as we can. Feels like 100 degrees out here. We're gonna get it though. Carrie's been working hard, mixing. We have a mixer, but it ain't put together yet. So this was faster, I think. We'll find out.
We're done for the day. Like we said, we're not gonna win any trophies. We did it on a 100-degree day and we're tired and worn out. But it's got rebar in it. It's got the first cinder block in it. I think it looks great. There we go.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. A tree. This is the damage. The camera is only hanging on by a wire. This arm seems to be okay. This one seems to be okay. This one is broken and this one is bent and won't move. It is broken right there. So the drone is down for a while. Moral of the story, watch out for trees.